Model, a performer, and a trusted endorser. But of course, that one thing that made us all stand hands is genius as an actor. His unforgettable turn in Hello, Love, Goodbye earned him even more throngs of admirers, even garnering him recognitions. He is set to reprise his character Ethan in the upcoming sequel, Hello, Love, Again. And his star shines even brighter in Pulang Araw, GMA Network's Vegas series of 2024. Malayo na, pero malayo pa ang kanyang mararating. And now he's here with all of you, Global Pinoy. Give it up for Alden Richards.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome. I can feel the love, yung pagmamahal po ng mga tao dito sa Calgary. And naniniwala po talaga ako na talagang kahit saan man parte ng mundo, basta may Pinoy, andun yung tahanan natin. Tama ba? Alam ko po, yung iba sa inyo medyo nalulungkot or namimiss yung ating bansa sa Philippines. Marami po sa inyo nagsakripisyo ng kanilang mga sarili at oras para lamang mabigyan po ng magandang buhay ang ating mga pamilya sa Pilipinas. Tama po ba? And we hear you. We hear all your sacrifices, all your hardships na talagang itinabi niyo po ang inyong sarili para lang makapagbigay ng magandang buhay sa inyong mga pamilya sa Pilipinas. So thank you po at maraming salamat po ulit sa mainit na pagtanggap niyo po sa amin ni Bubay. At masayang-masaya lamang po kami na finally nakasama na rin po namin kayo after a long time. And for my next song, para po sa inyong lahat to, para sa lahat ng may mga namimiss, at para sa lahat po ng nagbibigay ng pagmamahal para sa ibang tao, bukod sa sarili nila. Music please! Nakakawala naman ng pagod. Pero maraming salamat po muli for being here, for spending time with me tonight. And of course, with Bubay, sulit po lahat ng pagod namin. I love you too po. Thank you po. We came from two different states, one in LA, one in San Francisco, and then third leg po namin to ngayon. So, kahit sunod-sunod siya, seeing the smiles on your faces tonight, knowing that you're having a good time, makes all the tiredness go away. So, maraming salamat po. Know that every moment, as long as you're thinking about them, they're thinking about you too. So, can I see the flashlights? Music, please. Thank you. I'm staring out into the night, trying to hide the pain. I'm going to a place where love can feel it good, never cost a thing. And the pain you feel's a different kind of pain. Well, I'm going home, back to the place where I belong, where your love has always been enough for me. I'm not running from, no, I think you got me all wrong. I don't regret this life I chose for me. But this place is in these places I really know. So I'm going home. Dapat po, proud po tayo lahat sa ating mga sarili because of all the things we have done for our families and loved ones na naiwan natin sa Pilipinas. So saludo po ako sa inyong lahat for all those sacrifices. Maraming salamat po. The miles are getting longer, it seems. The closer I get to you,